While we're busy arranging holiday dinners, Mansory revealed a series of visual upgrades for the BMW 7 Series G70 through their social media. The kit is designed for those who find the factory-fit M Sport package too tame, adding an extra layer of aero bits to the luxury sedan. The first example of the Mansory tuned 7 Series features a full black exterior, with the exposed carbon fiber and the subtle red accents highlighting the add-ons. The controversial nose of the luxury sedan received a prominent splitter with side fins, alongside carbon fiber garnish around the split headlights and bumper intakes. Besides the black trim, the profile received decorative side gills, mirror caps, and extra fins on the side skirts. Finally, the tail has been upgraded with a set of spoilers and a larger diffuser as part of the rear bumper extension. The 7 rides on the fully forged FD.15 wheels measuring 22 inches in diameter with a Rolls-Royce-inspired design. The new shoes were announced as an option for the BMW flagship just a few weeks ago, after being featured in various other Mansory builds. In the pictured example, they are finished in black, matching the murdered-out theme. As for the interior, the photo gallery only shows us the Mansory branding on the carbon fiber side sills and floor mats. According to the tuner, a bespoke treatment is available upon request. The company didn't mention any performance upgrades, meaning that the wild-looking 7 Series retains its stock powertrain. The badging has been removed, but the quad tailpipes suggest that the tuned model could be based on the 760iX drive. This trim is fitted with a mild hybrid turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 producing 536 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque right from the factory. As with other Mansory tuned models, the cost of the upgrades has not been disclosed, so we'll have to wait until a similar BMW 7 Series pop-ups for sale on the tuner's official website.